Understanding tip-off in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase in the English language, tip-off. You might have heard this phrase in movies, news, or daily conversations. Let's explore its meaning and usage. Tip-off can be understood in two distinct ways. 1. In the context of sports. Specifically in basketball, a tip-off refers to the initial jump ball that starts the game. Two players, one from each team, jump to tip the ball after it's thrown into the air by the referee. The team that catches this ball gets the first possession. 2. In the context of information. Tip-off can also mean a piece of confidential or insider information, usually given as a warning or hint. For instance, if someone informs the police about a crime that's about to happen, that's a tip-off. Now, let's look at how tip-off can be used in sentences for both contexts. 1. Sports context. The game began with a tip-off at 7 p.m. sharp. 2. Information context. The police received an anonymous tip-off about the planned robbery. While we're avoiding phonetic transcriptions, it's important to remember that tip-off is pronounced as it's spelled. A common mistake some learners make is confusing tip-off with other similar sounding terms or using it out of context. Always think of the basketball reference or the insider information hint when using this term. And there you have it. The next time you hear the word tip-off, whether it's in a sports commentary or a detective show, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this has shed light on another intriguing facet of the English language. Happy learning and see you in the next video.